Welcome to an overview of Easy-IVR. This new feature aims to simplify the building of interactive voice response systems, or IVRs, for partners and customers alike. An IVR is one of the key tools organizations use to enhance customer experience. IVRs can help boost sales, reduce churn, and increase customer satisfaction because they enable customer interactions to be efficiently routed, handled, and reported on. An internal study found that nearly a third of IVR requests were related to building IVRs, and that almost two-thirds of IVR configurations could be handled via Easy-IVR. To that end, whether designing a new IVR or modifying an existing one, this feature provides a highly intuitive, guided workflow, giving partners added control and value in the deployment process, and saving customers potentially tens of thousands of dollars per year. We found that you can build a standard IVR in a matter of literally a few minutes, and we're going to demonstrate that shortly. This is an actual timed build. You'll see the time code running in the top corner. While we use visual effects to highlight certain elements, there are no editing tricks at play to disguise the build time. The process simply assumes that you've done your preparation in advance, such as understanding your desired call flow, writing out descriptions, and recording all necessary prompts. Let's get started. When logged into your contact center portal, navigate to Configure, then Inbound Voice, then IVRs, and click the Create New IVR button. Note that you can also use Easy-IVR to edit an existing IVR via the pencil icon. The steps we're about to show apply to both approaches. On this brief screen, the system will remind you of the elements you should have ready prior to starting the Easy-IVR process. Step 1 is general. In this step, we'll give our new IVR a name. In this case, we're assigning a name that will appear near the top of the alphabetical list. Then select the language, or languages, that will apply for this IVR. In this example, we'll go with a single language to keep things simple. Then we'll provide a description for the welcome prompt, and finally upload the prompt file itself, which should be in WAV format. Step 2 is menu. In Step 2, we'll create the menu or call flow options. To begin, let's again provide a description of the menu prompt, and then upload the recorded WAV file, or files plural if you're using multiple languages, and then we'll get into creating menu options. Each numeric menu option, such as 1, 2, and 3, corresponds to a button on the caller's phone keypad, and can take one of 4 actions: connect to a queue, perform a blind transfer, send the call to voicemail, or if this particular option is not in use, not set up. In this case, we've chosen the queue option and selected the sales queue. Here we can specify the background music to be used in this queue, along with each prompt, the description for the prompt, and again the recorded WAV file for each. For option 2, we will select queue again and pick the technical support queue. It's worth noting that there are 2 prompts to provide for each queue. The first could be considered a welcome prompt, such as "Thank you for calling sales," and the second could be considered an on-hold prompt. The second could be used for a promotional message or just to assure clients that an agent will be with them soon. For option 3, instead of queue, let's choose blind transfer, and then specify the phone number to transfer to. For option 4, we'll choose voicemail. We will enter the mailbox address to use, provide the prompt description, and as usual, upload the associated WAV file. Since we won't be using these other options, we'll leave them as not set up and then proceed to the next step once the system allows us. Step 3 is schedules. In this step, we're specifying the schedules for each element of the call flow. As an example, the main menu could be set to stay open 24/7 so it always presents a greeting, but the sales department needs to use Eastern Seaboard hours, for example, while technical support uses an extended hours schedule. Schedules are predefined and will need to be set up in the system before beginning the Easy-IVR process. Step 4 is off hours. In this final step, we'll specify what happens outside of scheduled contact center hours, as well as what happens when no agents are available. For the prompt, we'll provide, as usual, a description and an uploaded WAV file. Then for each element of the call flow, such as the main menu, we'll specify which after-hours action to take: blind transfer, voicemail, or hang up. Here we're choosing voicemail, specifying the mailbox to send to, and providing the usual prompt elements, which in this case will act as a voicemail greeting. For the sales department, we're choosing blind transfer and specifying a number to transfer to. For technical support, we're using the same action, blind transfer, but specifying a different phone number. Completing the No Agent Treatment section is similar. Again, complete the usual description and WAV file upload for the prompt step. And then for each department, such as sales, choose a behavior. In this case, we're choosing voicemail, and then again provide the prompt elements which will act as a voicemail greeting. Moving on to technical support, we'll choose voicemail again here and provide the email address and the typical prompt elements. At this point, we should be ready to publish. Here we just need to confirm any changes we made to queue schedules, and then this IVR will be live in as little as a few minutes. Thank you for watching.